let's discuss briefly the nature of flips and also the main terms that we're going to be using. So first of all, by flip or flipping, we mean that we purchase an apartment or house and we renovate it and subsequently we sell it at a higher price. An important thing to consider when we are talking about flips is obviously the flip duration. So the number of months from starting the flip to selling the renovated apartment or house. Another term that we're going to use in order to be able to model properly this business model is something which we called a slot. And a slot is simply the loan that we reuse during the year to make multiple flips. Once we sell the property, we buy immediately using the slot another property that we will be flipping again. You can also treat the slot as simply an amount of money constantly invested in some property and also as our ability to handle one apartment at any given time. So it's not only related to the money, but also to the renovation teams and coordinators that we can handle in a specific moment of the time. In other words, the number of slots determines how many apartments you can be flipping at the same time. Now, those terms are related. In order to show you that, let's have a look at a short example. So let's imagine that we have 12 months and we want to see how many flips we can do with one slot. So with one loan or with one amount of money invested into flipping. So if the duration is 4 months, we're going to finish the first flip by the end of April. Then we'll manage to do the second flip and by the end of the year, we'll manage to make the third flip. So with one slot, due to the fact that the duration of the flip was 4 months, in other words, we managed to reinvest the money we got from the first apartment twice. So in total, we managed to do 3 flips. However, if we manage to shorten the duration of the flip to 3 months, we can actually fit not 3, but 4 flips during the month. And this is, as you can see, extremely important to be able to shorten the duration of the flip so you can do more of the flips with the same money. So that's in short. Let's move to the main drivers of flipping models and later on to modeling the business in Excel.